Hello crafters and welcome to Scrapaholic. Let's make some faux stamps. We are going to start with dollar store stickers, some scissors, a punch, some pieces of cardstock, double-sided tape, scissors, marker, and washi tape. First of all, I am going to use my edging scissors and cut out some odd shapes of this cardstock. Now I have my punch also for this, but sometimes I just use scissors. It just depends on the size. I usually use both. Now I'm going to use a marker and just put a round circle in the background. Because I chose green washi tape, I decided to pull out an orange marker. Now you could use any washi tape and any marker, but I like them to complement each other. Just pulling out one of these stickers and placing on top of that. And there's my first stamp, theoretically second. I'm using the double-sided tape on the back because we are going to be placing these on some wax sticker paper. I'm going to use this punch. This is a Stampin' Up punch from a few years back. I can't let any of this paper go to waste. Waste not, want not. I have noticed that in each different box there will be different stickers in it. Like all of the green ones that say Creep It Real have the same stickers in them, where the other box of stickers have all the same stickers in that box that have that picture on them. And I think there's 3, 4 different type of boxes, maybe more than that, I don't remember. But I did realize that they each had their own stickers in each box that were the same. that we've magically cleared off the desk, let's put these down on some of this wax sticker paper. This is just paper that I have left over from postage. My mailing stickers come on this, and I just saved them for this purpose.
Here.
I guess we need 2 more in here. Let's twinkle our nose and make some more. I like these with the purple background too. Nice. Perfect. Now each one of these bags I've already measured against my clipboard, and I know they're going to fit. It's just a matter of getting the papers in them for packaging. Turning out to be quite an effort to get this closed. We'll get there sooner or later.
Oh.